This is Litan Bridge. As you can see, we are standing on Mongkut Chepu sides of the bridge. Look at that fresh fire that they have set to houses. And since morning, they have even started firing automatic weapons. Last night, I think around 1:32 a.m., they came all the way from that area. I don't know how the security persons, they let them gather in such a huge number. They marched down from that IB area towards Mongkut Chepu, attempting to break into our village. Since the beginning of this issue, Mongkut Chepu was nowhere in the picture. However, we have to react to defend our village and our people. See, look at the firing. You can hear it.
Firing murder ta sang wearing thorsong isim mukabla kumna simang ngabne automatic weapon mange
Ôi, gas sinh cặp đàn va, con cặp bằng ổ gì? Yo, lại cả hai hồ không? Hồ lắm nè. Anh xin nào ạ? chị 알았지? 용 와가지 편하지? 저 형장아이들 chị 형 왔어
Infan the Kuki la Pagiti, Manipurgi, MLA Madi, Minister Kayana, Slobidurico, Ado Mamang to Zoom la Pocopalang, Pocopa, Podazatosum Tauri is okay, it is a good staff. But a quay maintainer without any security the Campo Bimadi Sisi Booza Pagatam the Canal, Slobidurivano, Manipuki, Minister Lodura, is a name Sakis and Lodura.